Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in today's video we're going to go over CapCut Mobile just so you could edit your drone videos if you're traveling and don't have your laptop on you for whatever reason. In this video with CapCut, I kind of want to show you my process of how I import, how I edit, and export a video. Super seamless, simple, quick, so that you could show off the amazing content that you have. So let's get into it. So I'm going to go to CapCut and I'm going to open a new project. I already have my videos sorted out in a folder on my photos album in iOS. And then we're going to import all the photos that I have here from my Costa Rica trip. Man, I wish there was a fast way of doing this. Export? Import, I should say. And then for audio, I do use Epidemic Sound. They have a lot of non-copyrighted music. So I did find a song that I like already on Epidemic Sound, so I'm gonna go ahead and download that. Here's kind of how it sounds like. It's gonna be cinematic, slow drone shots that last a long time, not so fast-paced. And then I'm going to import it to CapCut since I already have the project opened up with my videos. It should import it to the project in CapCut, and here it is. Okay, so I know that I'm gonna cut it down to where it rises just before the biggest drop, which is around the 1 minute mark, if you remember. So let's just double check. Oh man, so there's a CapCut desktop, which I actually want to try out after this video, so let me know if you're interested in that. Alright, so I do like this part, and I'm gonna get it right before it rises. So here looks like a good place. Split it, delete, move this all the way to the left so it goes to the beginning of our project. Okay, and just for now I'm gonna be lowering down the volume so we could actually edit this quickly. So if you look at the drone shot, there is some movement here. It's not smooth. So I'm just gonna like cut this part out. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, and that looks very creamy and smooth. I do like how that looks like so far as an intro. It's obviously very long, but I'm trying to like cut out what looks jittery because we want to keep our drone footage smooth. Okay, so maybe just before it ends. This is more than good enough. Okay, so let's put the volume back up and play what we have so far. Okay, so I think this is really good. It's giving me Hans Zimmer vibes, which is someone that really inspires me. He's a composer and his music is very cool for drone footage in my opinion. This song is similar, not nearly as deep as Hans Zimmer, of course, but it's giving me those vibes. And the first thing that I want to do is actually put a fade in. So when it finally builds up to the riser, it actually shows the footage. So I'm gonna cut, let's see, this is at the 2-second mark. So if I go back here, okay, so let's see, not brand music. So back to the video. And if I do animations and a fade in, which is the first one, and it's at the 2-second mark. So let's see how it looks like, 2 seconds. Okay, it didn't drop there, maybe a little bit longer. Okay, so let's put it at 2.2, it should be good. 2.1. All right, that's good, that's good, that's good. So let's see. Okay, and the other thing that I do like doing as well is getting the beats for this song, auto-generate, so that I could see the counter and how I want to match my clips to the beats of the music. That's going to give you the best video. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there we definitely want to cut our video. So we put it at the beat and then we split the video and then we delete this and then we go back to see how it looks like. Okay, so obviously that's not smooth. Oh, this is good, this is good. Okay, so I think here I'm gonna cut it up. I can't speed up the video in this case. I don't think it would look good just because the song is really slow. So I'm gonna have to cut it here and then skip to the part where it actually shows the other side, which I think will look really cool. So let's just not use transitions for now. Let me continue cutting this up and fast forward to show you what I have. Okay, so I'm actually in the middle of my video. I did cut down a lot of footage just because I feel that I want to keep the colors the same. So I'm only going to use videos of this town that we captured that's right next to the water. And I have a dilemma here. This shot is actually really cool and I'm pulling in and flying towards the river with the drone and the song is building up. But the problem is that right before the next cut, the gimbal is actually getting moved way too much, so it looks very unnatural, and you always want to remove any fast gimbal movements from the drone. You see, so if I extend this, ideally I like to extend this all the way to the beat. So this beat right here, because that's when it drops. And look how nice it is. And then it moves her a little. Fuck. I don't know what to do. Okay, so I don't know how to fix this right now. So I am editing this for the first time. So I need to figure out how to fix this issue here. Okay, and then I want to put a transition here so it's not as obvious that I did cut something up. Trending. I found something that was subtle. I just want to keep things subtle. I don't know. With drone videos, I feel like you need to really try your best to make it look as minimal as possible. This mix one I kind of like. Let's see how, yeah. It's just kind of like a slow fade. Yeah, so I kind of like this one. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Okay. All right, and I think that'll be good for the ending. And I'm gonna cut it right there. This looks good. I really like how this turned out. I'm gonna show how it turned out here in the next sequence. If you stayed for this long, you're a real one. It's just me kind of like editing. I spent so much time editing, and a lot of the times I feel like I overcomplicate myself or I overcomplicate the video, especially with drone footage. So in this video, I just kind of wanted to bring you along with me, edit, share some of the things that I do, the things that I look for. And yeah, please let me know if you have any comments, any suggestions, or things that you use. I am interested in using the CapCut desktop version. This is the mobile, so let's see how that turns out. Thank you so much. If you like this sort of content, feel free to subscribe, hit that bell notification. I appreciate you so much for being here on this channel and watching this video. Peace.